HIPAA training. Two words that make almost every healthcare employee click through as fast as humanly possible. But what if we change the format? Let's see what happens when you take a real compliance PowerPoint and rebuild it in Genially using different interactive techniques. This is the source material, a real HIPAA slide deck that is text-heavy, passive, and exactly the kind of training people click through without retaining anything. The content is here but was designed to be read, not experienced. These are the 3 slides I rebuilt. The first slide was 2 columns of text defining protected health information. I split it into 2 slides where the first one has card images, and when you hover, the definition appears underneath. Then you click the arrow to move to the next one. It sounds like a small change, but what it actually does is chunk the information so learners process one thing at a time instead of scanning a paragraph and retaining nothing. The format respects how people actually read. The next page of that same slide takes it one step further with a hotspot interaction showing real examples of what counts as protected health information mapped to clickable areas on a desk. Instead of reading a list, learners have to actively explore. That active retrieval is what starts moving information from short-term to long-term memory. One boring slide into a completely different learning experience. Slide 2 was a bulleted list of what qualifies as HIPAA-protected photos. I rebuilt it as a drag and drop using actual photos. Learners look at an image and have to decide, does this qualify as protected health information or not, then drag it to the correct zone. The moment they drop it, they get immediate feedback explaining exactly why it belongs there. That's the piece that makes it stick. Not just right or wrong, but why. The last slide was a bulleted list of HIPAA violation examples. I turned it into a feedback quiz. Each scenario asks, violation or not. You choose your answer and immediately get feedback, not just whether you were right, but a clear explanation of the reasoning behind it. This is the difference between clicking through a PowerPoint and actually building judgment. If your team has training that works on paper but doesn't land in practice, this is how you can fix it. The live Genially shows the original PowerPoint so you can see the before and after side by side. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more videos on Genially and AI builds.